What's up everybody? Today, Jason and I are camping out and watching the solar eclipse.
We're super excited to see the eclipse because the next one won't be for another 20 years, so it'll be a rare occurrence if you're in the Midwest region. And we're also camped out in the center of its line of totality, so we're gonna see something super amazing.
As we watch the eclipse, we're also gonna eat some really good food and it's gonna be a good time. I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, Acopower. Acopower is a company committed to supplying off-grid and portable power solutions. They sent us their tesfridge portable freezer specifically designed for the Model 3, Y, and X. This compact freezer fits seamlessly in the sub-trunk, offering up to 33 liters of capacity for the Model Y, providing plenty of space for food during longer camping trips or larger parties. The tesfridge features a high-quality cooling compressor that can cool food or drinks from 50 degrees to -4 degrees in just 30 minutes. It can be used as a fridge or a freezer for various kinds of food. A convenient feature of the tesfridge is its integrated smart app, allowing you to change the temperature, turn off the system, and control it remotely from your phone. For longer trips, we recommend using an external battery to power the tesfridge. Although it works well with the Tesla battery, it will reduce the total range. Acopower offers a portable battery as an add-on, capable of powering the fridge for up to 10 hours independently outside of the Tesla. Currently, there's a $200 discount during the spring sale, so don't miss out on this fantastic deal for a must-have product for camping or hosting a party in your Tesla. You can find the product linked in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Not there yet. Aren't you glad we have 1 free month of FSD?
Yep.
It's really nice where there's a lot of traffic. Alright, we made it to Dayton. Now we're just trying to find some parking and then we will start making our hamburgers. That's so cool. There you go.
Huh.
Being very precise. That's cool.
It's doing its thing.
It's taking a hot second to...
I might just cut it off because I think it might just be like stuck in a loop.
Yeah, I'm
gonna cut it off right here. This is good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Unless it cuts itself off.
Wow.
Nice.
Actually, that's pretty good.
There you go.
Not bad. We'll get our meat out there.
This is our current setup at the moment. We have the kitchen outside. We're right by Riverscape Park in Dayton, Ohio. Dayton is on the line of totality, so that means we'll be able to see the full eclipse where the moon covers the sun perfectly. So we're really excited, and we're excited to bring you guys along with us.
Now I'm gonna put the onions on there.
Caramelizing some onions. We're making some gourmet burgers.
Ah, the smells are so great.
It really is.
And the good thing about this is that the juices from the bacon and the onions are gonna seep into the burger patties when I start to grill those. It's gonna be really good.
According to the information that we have found, the eclipse should be starting pretty soon. The partial eclipse begins roughly around this time. It is 1:58, and it says it started around 1:53. So we'll check on it and see if it has started to begin the eclipse.
Whoa! That's crazy. There's a bite out of the cookie.
Yeah.
Yep, there we go.
Nice. That's a perfect toasted bun.
Let's go walk over and build our burgers.
Trash bag.
Glasses right here. I'm gonna put them in my pocket, okay?
Sounds good.
I'll be careful pointing your phone sensor at the sun. Longer than 20 seconds, it'll damage it.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Yeah, just be careful.
Cheers.
Almost halfway there.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
It's a crescent.
Yeah, it's a crescent now.
Wow.
Oh, okay. It's about 2:40. Totality begins at 3:09. So we have a little bit more time until that happens. So we're getting close.
The unique thing about totality is typically when you're looking at an eclipse, if it's a partial eclipse, you need solar glasses to look at the eclipse directly. But during totality, that's the only time where you can look with your bare eyes safely.
That's what it looks like right now.
This is crazy.
It's the quickest sunset ever.
It is getting darker by the second.
Oh my gosh, babe, wait, don't miss it, babe, don't miss it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh my
It's
god.
almost there.
Oh my
Is that
gosh.
it?
No, it's not it.
No.
Actually. Wait.
Huh?
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh! That's crazy!
Oh yeah, it's coming back.
It's coming back.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. Happened so quick.
I know. Oh, it's getting brighter right now too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is getting brighter.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was too cool.
That is so sweet, babe.
That's crazy.
Isn't that awesome?
Like
Wow.
I said, there was a little red at the bottom.
Oh wow, look at that.
That was
That was breathtaking.
it was I'm at a loss for words. I mean, I knew kind of what to expect, but just experiencing it firsthand, like, it is a life-changing
It really
experience.
is. It got colder and you know, things things went dark, obviously. But it was just a different atmosphere. It was really, really cool. And everybody was super hyped about it too.
And the light around like the Eclipse 2 was white. I don't know why. I expected it to be like
yellow, orange.
Yeah. But that was incredible.
It was sweet. It was our first like total eclipse, and it was amazing.
Yeah, if you ever have a chance to see one, I definitely recommend it.
This is the end of the totality. That wraps up for today's video. We want to give another thank you to our sponsor for today's video, acopower tesfridge.
It was super awesome being able to pack vegetables and refrigerated items and store it in there for a long period of time. It really added to the experience.
Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.